First, take 1 egg and crack it. And then take the other egg, but this time we only use the egg white. Next, take 1/3 of a cup of sugar and add it into your mixing bowl. Heat the eggs and the sugar until smooth. Sift in a 1/4 cup of flour and mix. Pour in 2 tablespoons of melted butter and mix. Place the mixing bowl in hot water and stir until smooth and free from lumps. Sift the batter to get rid of the lumps and other particles. Preheat an oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. Spoon the batter onto the baking tray. Use the back of the spoon to spread out the batter into a circle. Make it as thin as possible so the cookies will be crispy and crunchy. Use a fork to scoop out the sliced almonds onto the batter. Spread out the almonds and make sure there are only one layer on top of the batter. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes or until the center of the cookies is golden brown. Transfer the cookies onto a cooling rack and wait for the cookies to cool down completely. Enjoy!